Scott Isaacson, and today we're on a 2020 Harris 230 Solstice single lounger dual helm. This floor plan is definitely new for us at MarineMax sailandski, and today I'm going to point out just some of the really cool features. As you enter your boat, probably one of the first things you'll see here is the water sports tower. That definitely catches everyone's eye. Even if you're not pulling people from that, which you can, just the look of that on the water just gives it so much style. And then we have it too where we have this front bimini. That bimini will zip to the integrated tower bimini, so you have just tons of shade with the full coverage. Come in. The Solstice has been all redesigned for 2020, so as you look here, you have recessed cup holders. Then a nice touch with the the armrest with cup holders. This boat's equipped with the upgraded stereo, so you'll have the JL audio head unit along with the JL head audio speakers, sub, and amp. And then we'll see a little bit later on some rear-facing speakers as well. So in the floor plan, this is the dual helm. So you and your significant other, your friend, you're seated in these real comfortable recliners. They swivel and recline back and forth, but very comfortable. Two really comfortable spots there. As you look at the helm station, you see that nice big SIMRAD screen. Tons of capabilities. As we look at it here, we can get our cruise control. And then also, you have different profiles. So different options for pulling up someone who may be a beginner to someone who may be a slalom skier. Speaking of slalom skier, this boat has the power to do everything behind it for all the different water sports. So we'll get to that in a second, but these boats now used to be where you tow, maybe a small tube, where now you can, pull your best slalom skier in the family or the neighbor who likes to go 35. So the capabilities of these tri-tunes is amazing. How Harris is built is why we've had a lot of success with these. Second to none when it comes to the construction of the Harris. As we move back here, this is what's called the single lounger. So you can have this, comfortable cockpit area. This will move back here, and then we have this nice massive lounger with a ton of room. And then it can go another step farther, all the way flat. What's really cool is that this can lift up. Now we have that lounger that's forward facing. Yes, all these cup holders are lighted. So the lighting package that you see, you have the rope lighting below the seats, you have exterior lighting along the tubes. So what I did is overhead lights on the tower. Then we have this spacious area where you're doing a lot of entertaining. People are on the lounger, people are jumping in and out of the water. One thing people don't always think about is how you're going to get back on the boat. So as we look back here, when we've got a really strong handles to pull yourself up, you look at the top rung, There's two, it's a two-step, a two-rung top step, and then a real deep ladder as well. So the kids, the parents, older, grandparents, everyone could get easily in and out of the water. Something you should always think about when you're thinking about investing in your boat. And then having these rails and the chain back here. So this is now inside the boat, and so underway people can be back here, and that's also something that people don't always think about. You have this awesome space back here. These boats are real level, so it's a safe spot to be. You can have people in this rear lounger underway. And then a nice tall tow point here as well. So if you don't want to have the tow point on the tower, which you can, this is high enough too if you're teaching someone that's pulling them up out of the water. So the Harris brand has been awesome. We've been carrying them for really about 9 years now, and have built a real nice relationship with them. And then as we are back here, I should point out the Mercury, what's powering this boat, the heart of the boat, is the Mercury 250 Outboard. And a new feature, real easy to check the oil fill. You're not having to open the entire cowling. So it's the little things that people don't always think about, that Harris, Mercury, MarineMax, SAPPHIRE, we're trying to make things so much easier in the boating experience. So again, thanks for watching. This is a 2020 Harris 230 Solstice. I'm Scott Isaacson with MarineMax, sailandski. If you have any questions or you want to schedule a time to look at some boats, feel free to give me a call. It's 512-450-8023. Thanks for watching. Again, my name is Scott Isaacson with MarineMax sailandski out here in Lakeway. We also have two other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.